Sunny. Having bright sunlight, clear sky and no clouds. Cloudy. Covered with clouds, lacking direct sunlight. Overcast. Covered with thick clouds, gray and gloomy sky. Rainy. Characterized by rain falling from the sky. Showers. Brief periods of rain, rain that comes and goes. Drizzle. Light rain and fine, mist-like drops. Thunderstorm. A storm with thunder, lightning, heavy rain, and wind. Lightning. Flashes of bright light in the sky during a storm. Thunder. The sound caused by lightning, a loud rumbling noise. Hail. Small, frozen balls of ice that fall during a storm. Snow. Frozen water crystals falling as precipitation. Blizzard. A severe snowstorm with strong winds and low visibility. Windy. Having a lot of wind, breezy and gusty conditions. Breezy. Having a light or gentle wind. Calm. Peaceful and still, no wind or breeze. Fog. A thick cloud of tiny water droplets near the ground. Mist. A thin layer of tiny water droplets in the air. Temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of the air. Humidity. The amount of moisture in the air, relative humidity. Barometer. An instrument measuring atmospheric pressure.